Hi there, in this video you will learn about how to automatically assign new users to groups in Google Workspace with xFanatical Foresight. In Google Workspace, IT admins often waste time manually adding each new employee to multiple groups for onboarding, training, and communication. This repetitive process is prone to errors and delays, especially as the organization grows. That's where xFanatical Foresight comes in. xFanatical Foresight automates the assignment of new users to the right groups instantly, ensuring smooth onboarding, reducing manual effort, and improving overall efficiency. Let's dive in and see how it works. Sign into xFanatical Foresight with your Google admin account. Go to the Templates page. Search Automatically Add New Users to Groups template and click on it. In the Automatically Add New Users to Groups page, click Copy Rule. For the first-time use of the template rule, and dialog action needed will display requesting necessary permissions required to copy the rule. Click Connect with Google and authorize the permissions. Upon authorization, a dialog titled Copy of Automatically Add New Users to Groups will display. In the Edit Trigger screen, configure the field for a specific organization unit, so the rule will trigger only if any specific organization user created. Or you can click on the trash icon if you want the rule to trigger for every new user creation. Click on the Next button. In the Add Group Members screen, configure the respective group email, where users will be added. Optional. In the Add Group Members screen, click on plus icon on the top to add more group details. Select the Add Group Member action from Select an Action screen. Select the primary email variable from the user-created trigger on the member email field, and configure the respective group email, where users will be added. Repeat this step for adding more group details, where new users will be added automatically. Click on the Review button. In the Review screen, customize the rule name, and click on the Create button. The rule is created in the Rules page. Verify automation. Go to Google Admin Console and add a new user to trigger the rule. Go back to xFanatical Foresight. Wait momentarily, and you will get a notification on the top right. In the notification message, click View Log. Now you can check the user email, organizational unit, and group email in the log. It's simple and easy. If you have yet to install Foresight, apply for a 14 days trial. If you like our video, hit the thumbs up. Also, subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell icon to get notifications about the news, trends, and products that help you manage your business very well. To learn more, please visit xfanatical.com.